Hello everyone, welcome back. It is Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I have an unexpected intro to a new project pan. I have been getting the itchies, and as you guys know, I am not one to do a year-long project pan because I'm just not good at it. I keep forgetting about products and things. But I tried to do like the 18 by 2018 and 2017. That did not pan out so well. So I decided not to do that. But this year, it seems like not everyone seems to not do the 19 and 2019 mostly. They're doing 9 in 2019. And this is a rolling project pan. And I thought, well, I can handle 9 products. And if I use one, I can roll one in and try to meet my goals for the year. So I think this worked out really well for me. So you're here for the 9 in 2019 intro. I am going to get this as soon as I can up on my channel so you guys can, we can get started on this. So I have my 9 products in front of me and I'm crossing my fingers. I will hopefully hit my goal sometime this year. So let's start out with the first one. The first one is my Eve Pearl Duo Salmon Concealer. My goal is to finish up the corrector. This was already in a project pan. As you guys can see, I already finished up the concealer. I want to finish up this corrector. I am wearing it today. I wear it every single day on my face. I love this one. This is my last one. I already used one up. So that is my goal for this. The second product that I have is this Stila Longwear Lip Liner in Aspiring. This is what this one looks like. I will tally and have everything marked. So in the first update, you guys will see. I'm going to try to do monthly updates with this so you guys can see if I've used anything up or rolling anything out, rolling anything in. So you'll see this on a monthly basis. So this one I want to completely use up. You guys know how I am with lip liners. I am currently wearing it today on the lips. So it's really easy color to wear, so I don't think I'll have an issue with it. It is a little bit old, so it's a little bit drying, so I'm gonna have to work with this sucker. The following product I have is this Sigma Eyeshadow Base Primer. I want to use this whole thing up by the end of the year. This is a stretch. You guys know I want to use a shadow stick this year, so I chose this one. This one blends out to basically like your skin tone, so that's why I figured I'll use this one first, because this is what it looks like, but once you blend it out, it just works. Now I'm hoping this will work in the summer for me, but we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna use this whole thing up because I said so. Now here we go again. For a lip product, I did choose this. This is my Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Honeycomb, and this is a deluxe sample size. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today in conjunction with this lip liner. I want to use this whole thing up. My goal is to use up 2 mini lip products, so this is hopefully one of them. This is what it looks like right there. It should be relatively easy. I just got to remember to wear nudes, because right now I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I'm not used to wearing nudes. I am not used to wearing nudes. So this one I'm going to use completely up as well. The following product is a brow pencil. I am currently using this e.l.f. brow pencil. First time I used it this year. I've never tried it before and I really like it. I have it on my brows today. I've only used this maybe like a week's worth, and I didn't realize how little product these things bring. There's so much packaging for this whole entire thing. It's ridiculous, but this is what, $3? So I like it. I enjoy it. I want to use the whole thing up. I already have a second one to use up, so I'm going to use that sucker up as well. My Milani eyeshadow primer. This is number 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, this is the 6th product. I am wanting to finish this, you guys. This is the year to finish this. This is where I am at right now. I'm right above the eyeshadow, where it says eyeshadow. My goal is to use this whole thing up. I think I can do it by the end of this year. I don't see myself having to struggle with this since this is a year-long pan. I'm going to finish it. I'm going to finish it. I'm pulling in a foundation. I don't know where I am with this foundation because there's air in it. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Demi Matte Finish Foundation in 104. If I were to guess, I'm going to say I'm like right here because I feel it colder here. Like this is, yeah, it's about right here. Let me just mark it. Let's hope that I mark it correctly too. So I'm going to mark it right there. So that's our starting point, and I'm hoping to completely finish this sucker up. The 8th product. This is my NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. Now I am going to weigh this because it's tough to measure these things, but I want to completely use this up. As you guys can see, I don't have too much left. I use this almost every day, so I don't see myself having a problem with this. I want to finish this up. This has 20 grams of powder. So my goal is to finish it up. I'm going to weigh this one just to know where I am with it. I did have a backup of this because I really like this powder, but since I have inherited new powders for Christmas, I had to let go of some because that's my rule. What comes in, something has to come out in that category. So I ended up decluttering and giving away my backup of this. So I have other ones I want to try, so sacrifices have to be made. So I want to use this completely up. The 9th and final product is a highlighter. Let's see how I do. This is the Becca Moonstone Highlighter. This was sent to me from Drea. It came broken. I repressed it. My goal for this is to hit pan. I just want to hit pan on this. I got a whole year. This should not be hard. I don't know. Let's see. There is a swatch of it right there. I actually am not wearing highlighter today because I forgot to put on highlighter. So let's put some of this on, shall we? Why not? Let's put some highlight. And this is very, like, you know, it could be very intense, so you gotta, look at that. That's pretty though. I love it. So my goal is to hit pan on that. So those are my 9 products, you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do. I don't know. But once I finish a product, I will put something else in its place. So I will always have 9 products in this project pan. This is a year-long project pan. You will see monthly updates from me at least. There's a ton of women doing this as well on YouTube. And I'm so excited to see all these. And that's what encouraged me to do this. And not to mention Rebecca from Panning and Stuff. She is the queen of panning. She's doing a bunch of panning and... I want to see if I could do some damage too, because she always motivates me to do damage. So these are my 9 products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are doing this project, let me know so I can follow you as well on Instagram, on YouTube, whatever. And if you want to join, let me know so I can also follow you there. Thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting me. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.